So we're going to answer this question before us. So it says, state the sequence of transformations that takes this to this. Now, I'm only going to show you how to do this by inspection because I truly believe it's the quickest and best way to do it. The first thing you want to do is you want to factorize. So if I've been given this, we can factorize this. We can say it is 3 over, then I can take a 5 out of the bottom and be left with x minus 2 on 5 brackets squared. So as you can see, I factorized the bottom here. I've taken that 5 out. And as soon as we've done that, it's very easy now to read off our dilations, then reflections, then translations. So I'm first going to dilate by a factor of 3, this 3 right here, from the x-axis. Because this 3 is multiplying the entire thing. If you don't believe me, another way we could write this is, there's a 1 here, and if we can picture, there's a 3 there. Let me just do this. Like, that's the same thing, isn't it? Because if you were to distribute that out, you would times this 3 by the top. So you see how this 3 is multiplying everything? So that's kind of how you've got to view it. So let me put it back as the way it originally was. That's just to show you that that 3 is timesing everything. So dilate by a factor of 3 from the x-axis. Then you want to dilate by factor. Now, see this 5? That's causing a dilation from the y-axis, and you have to take the reciprocal of it. So you're going to dilate by 1/5 from the y-axis. Then, now it's important that you put that word then there, you're going to translate by 2/5 units in the, now if it's negative, that means you're moving it in the positive direction, because that's the way these things work. Positive x direction. And that's how it works. So just to go through that again, and we'll use some highlighting here. So you first dilated by a factor of 3 from the x-axis. You then saw this 5, and because this 5 is multiplying with the x, that's causing a dilation by a factor of 1 on 5 from the y-axis. Remember to take that reciprocal, people. And then lastly, you read off, and I will use yellow here, this one right here, which is telling you to translate by 2/5 units in the positive x direction. And that's how you're thinking through this question. Factorize, then read them all off, and you'll be fine. That's the best way, I believe, to answer these questions. There are other ways you could do it by the method, but I'm going to go with this way as the most efficient and quickest way to answer it. Hopefully you found this helpful, and I'll see you later.